Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. There is not much more to add really to my last update. However, I want to update you with regards to the lower degree wave count and the price action. I see it with slight concern that ADA dropped a little bit more than other coins here in this move down. But my view is actually that, you know, if these current setups are going to fail, like this 1-2 setup, then they will probably fail for all coins. Yeah. So we've got still our yellow support area here with the yellow fibs that are relating to this 1-2 setup. Let me actually take the sub-wave structure count out that we don't need anymore. So yeah, so we currently assume we had a 5-wave move to the upside of the 10th of March lows. And then I talked about it yesterday when we hit target here that we will probably see a move down that could be quite sharp. It is quite sharp, even though I have to admit that I did expect a sharp wave A. The B wave is a bit shorter than ideal. And the C wave, well, the C wave you would expect to be sharp as well, but at least I would have liked to see a stronger B wave. Well, the reason why we didn't get one is probably because we broke in this A wave below resistance or below support and just retested from below. It's a very strong resistance area. And therefore, the B wave maybe didn't have enough space. Okay. It also rallied quite substantially. I mean, off the lows, ADA rallied like 23%. So a strong move down is not too uncommon in that case. But yeah, it ideally holds 31.2 cents for this 1-2 setup to work out. It's a low risk trade from here, in my opinion. I mean, we talk about risk to reward or reward to risk, not in terms of probability of working out, because the lower they go in these support areas, the higher the likelihood support will break. On the flip side, we are back in the green support area as well. So from that point of view, you know, we have support here, and really only below 27.65 cents, which is down here, support of the larger wave 2 that at the moment I assume ended on the 10th of March. Only below that level, we have to be prepared or get prepared for new bear market lows. Until then, could very well be that we're turning around here. In fact, that is my expectation. Don't see any reason to change my count until we break and sustain below 31.2 cents. And even then, it could still work out. It will then just be a deeper than ideal retracement. I would then have to prepare that this immediate 1-2 setup doesn't work out. But then again, we are falling back into the largest wave 2 probably. I wouldn't like that though. I wouldn't like that. It doesn't fit in anymore, and I would then need to look at other options. But for now, I think we've got this 1-2 setup. We can focus on it. And on the micro level, and really talking about the micro price action here, that's how I would count this move to the downside. So we had our wave A, which was, as expected, really strong. The wave B, which was strangely short, but again, I have an explanation with that resistance area. And then we made our wave 1, wave 2. I can't remember if we talked about them already in the last video. I think we might have. Then here the third wave down. This is probably the 4, and we get one more low in a 5. At least it would not be unexpected. That's how I would see it, with one more wave down. Sometimes you get surprising rallies, just and the last low doesn't happen. Therefore, I typically mention also the level above which ADA would need to rally to make this last wave 5 unrealistic and to indicate that we've bottomed already. That would be the 32.8 cent level. So going above that level and sustaining above that level, above 32.8 cents, would make this wave 4 very unlikely, which means the move down was probably finished, maybe even a WXY scenario. Yeah. So be prepared for that. It could bottom really here in this region. Well, it would need to for this setup to work out. And then from here, the third wave, I mean, let's assume we have bottomed. I'm just assuming it. I don't believe it, but I assume it just for the purpose of calculating target for the third wave. In the end, it wouldn't make a great difference anyway where exactly we bottom here. But target-wise, for that third wave, we talk about 42.9 cents. Yeah. So that's sort of where we are currently with ADA. Currently looking at the C wave, and we possibly just this small bounce that we see currently might just be a fourth wave. That could happen. That could take place over the rest of the day. Maybe. Yeah, I don't expect necessarily a lot of price action for the rest of the day, but you never know. Just be prepared that this could be the area where ideally we see a bounce, and if we don't, then the next support will be 30.59 cents. Then the 10th of March lows at 29.7 cents and then 27.65. But when we get down to that level, we're already in a different scenario, not in a 1-2 setup anymore. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.